All you need is a Phillips screwdriver, a plier, and our repair kit. First thing you want to do is shut the machine off. Do not change the wire while the power is connected. So once the power is off, what you're going to do, take a blade and cut this down the middle. The adhesive on the Teflon tape is very tenacious. It's very difficult to get off. So what we do is we split the Teflon tape in two pieces and then just strip them off, which exposes the wire. The first thing you want to do is take the screw that attaches the spring to the fiberglass. Take this out, and then unscrew the screw that holds the wire to the spring. Just like that. We'll do the same thing on the other side technique here. And then we separate the wire from the spring. All right, the first thing we'll do is attach the wire to the terminal. First, take the little screw, put it in through the end of the terminal. Then put your wire on, like that, and then the spring, with the barrel of the spring matching where the head of the screw is, like this. Just put your little nut here. And then this 1-inch screw goes through the spring and through the hole in the fiberglass, just like that. Then connect this nut here. And then before we tighten everything up, do the same thing on this side. Putting the screw through the terminal right here. Then the heating element. Then the spring. And then the other little nut. So you've got the terminal, the wire, and then the spring in that order here. Then you'll take your screwdriver and tighten this there. You just need to hand tighten it. Then we'll go back and tighten this one here. Now we're going to bring the screw, the heating element, here into where the fiberglass is. Take your last 1-inch screw, put it through the spring, run that through the hole in the fiberglass, and then attach the final screw. Tighten this. Make sure that the wire is seated in the slot in this little headless screw here. Pick this up, drop that in there. The most important thing is that the wire sits in the little slot on this little guide here on either end. The wire has to sit in that slot. Teflon tape. Peel off one side of the protective paper and line it up with the adhesive marks from your previous piece of Teflon. So you could see where the glue left a mark. So we're just going to center it on that. Press down, flip this over, take off the second piece of protective paper. And then I'm going to push down on this side of the wand and push the tape up against it. This will make sure that it's tight on the bottom. I don't want any creases on the bottom. And then just fold it over and you're ready to go.